Okay, this is a brief test of using a pen and tablet system to annotate in the whiteboard within Collaborate Ultra. First, a caveat, I'm by no means an expert in this, and this is my first time trying this. So I have this tablet, it's a Star G640, and I installed the driver for this tablet on the computer through the products drivers downloads area for Windows, so I'm currently on a Windows 11 PC. After installing the driver, I restarted the computer and made sure that the computer is detecting that my tablet is connected. And it is moving the mouse around. If you see my mouse moving around here on the screen, that's actually my pen tool hovering over the tablet just lightly so that I can move the mouse around. And if I were to put my mouse down on the screen, I'm actually navigating up and down the screen using the tablet. Okay, so to try this out, I am in a Collaborate Ultra session here, and I'm going to go to Share Whiteboard. And you'll see I had drawn on here earlier. I'm just going to use my mouse to get to the erasure tools here so I can erase this. It's easier with my mouse to erase them with the pen because I'm so new to this. Okay, so I'm going to put my mouse aside for the second, and just like how I navigated the website with my mouse, I'm just going to lightly hover my pen over the tablet, access my toolbar tools, select the tool I want. Let's say I want brush, and then hover over my color that I want, select it, choose my weight, and here I can put the pen down and drag a little bit over the toolbar to select the width of the pen. Let's say I want 22, and just tap away somewhere else on the screen. Okay, now I'm going to draw. So I'm going to put hover my mouse or my pen over the tablet where I want to start, and then put the pen down and then start drawing. Okay, so it is taking. There is, I think, a learning curve to using this, especially if you're not familiar with using pens and tablets before. Okay, so let's choose a different color, and it's going to make this a little thinner. The writing's too fat. Okay, let's say I want to do 1 plus 2 equals 3. So it is taking, the pen is working, it's just, I think this takes a little practice and learning where to begin drawing on the tablet. Let's see, 2 plus 3. Okay. So that, I think, is all there is to this. If you have trouble with the whiteboard, with connecting with the pen, you might want to try an alternative, such as annotating on top of a blank PowerPoint slide and then sharing your application screen to show what you're drawing. But so far as the whiteboard and blackboard, this seems to be working as expected. Just, it takes a little practice.